In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix controller in Forza 5 PC. Now first head to Steam and then go at the top left and then go to settings. Here you'll see options for controller. Now if you're using a Xbox controller, you'll have to turn this option on, and this option is generally should always turn on regardless what controller you're using. Then if you're using PlayStation controller, make sure this is on, like enabled in games, or enabled, like whichever one of these will work. And then if you're using like Switch controller, just enable this one. And here you'll see a button that says test, so you'll be able to test your controller before you use it. So just make sure you have this button. I don't have it because I don't have the controller plugged in yet. So once you have this done, next thing you want to do is close this down and then go here and type in Bluetooth and devices. So here you want to go to Bluetooth and devices. So inside devices, you will be able to see all the devices you have connected previously on your computer. So if you don't see your controller, that means you're having issues connecting it. So as you can see, you can actually like disable the device if you want. You can see like remove it and add it back again. So if you find your controller here and it's not online, you'll just have to like remove it and then re-add it back again. So here you'll see more device and printer settings. So if you open this, it will show more devices. So here it will look, your controller will look something like this, and you will have to simply like check if there's any update for the hardware or a driver update. So if there is, just make sure you are always up to date. So once you do this, I recommend trying to restart your computer and your game before trying to test if it works again. So you can actually close Steam down, just close Epic Games or whatever game you're running, close it down completely and try to turn everything back on and see if this works.